Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 11 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, the first thing you should do is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to fix the issue. Now you need to ensure that airplane mode is turned off, as this can interfere with network connections. This isn't likely to be the issue here, but still worth a look. Click the volume icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and ensure that airplane mode is turned off by clicking this button here. As you can see, mine is off now. If the last method didn't fix the issue, try this. Click the Windows icon, then type CMD for command prompt. Click Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type in this command, then hit enter. Afterwards, restart your system and check to see if the issue has been resolved. Sometimes a power flush can help fix hardware glitches. Shut your system down, then take out the battery if you're on a laptop with a removable battery. If your laptop doesn't have a removable battery, simply discharge the battery completely. Press and hold the power button down for 30 seconds and then put the battery back in if you took it out. If you're on a desktop, simply unplug your computer from the power supply unit and then press and hold the power button down for 30 seconds. Afterwards, plug your PC back in and then turn the system on to see if the issue has been fixed. Now we're going to run some troubleshooters. Some people might consider them useless, but you'll be surprised at how effective they can be sometimes. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. This will take you to the settings page. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Now we're going to run two troubleshooters. The first is internet connection. So over here, click Run and follow the prompts on screen to troubleshoot the issue. If that troubleshooter doesn't work, close this page, scroll down a bit, and next to network adapter, click Run. Click Wi-Fi, then click Next. The troubleshooter should detect any issues with your internet connection and in some cases even fix them automatically. If it doesn't fix them automatically, it should at least give you some information of what might be wrong. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I, click Network and Internet, then scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Locate your Wi-Fi adapter here. If it says disabled, click this button here to enable it. If yours is already enabled, disable it by clicking this button and then click it again to re-enable it. Afterwards, check to see if the issue has been fixed. Click the Windows icon, then type Services. Hit Enter to open it up. On this page, scroll down until you locate WLAN Autoconfig. Right-click it and select Properties. Ensure that the startup type is set to Automatic. If the status here says Stopped, click Start. Afterwards, click Apply, then click OK. Now, scroll up till you locate Network Connections. Right-click it and select Properties. Just like before, it says Stopped, click Start here and ensure the startup type is set to Automatic. Click Apply, click OK, then restart your system and check to see if the issue has been fixed. If the last method didn't fix the issue, try resetting the network. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I, click Network and Internet, scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. On this page, scroll down and click Network Reset. Click Reset Now, click Yes, then restart your system and check to see if the Wi-Fi icon shows up now. Right-click the Windows icon, then click Device Manager. Go to Network Adapters, then locate your Wi-Fi adapter. See mine here. Right-click it and select Properties. Go to Power Management and ensure that this option is unchecked. Click OK, then restart your system to see if the issue has been fixed. Right-click the Windows icon, then click Device Manager. Once again, go to Network Adapters, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. Select Browse my computer for drivers. Click this option here. Here, select the driver model, then click Next to install it. Afterwards, restart your system to see if the problem has been fixed. If the last method didn't work for you, go back to the Device Manager. Once again, under Network Adapters, locate your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click, and select Uninstall Device. Ensure that this box remains unchecked. Click Uninstall, restart your system, and then Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. If for some reason the driver does not reinstall automatically, you'll need to go to your PC manufacturer's website, enter in your system model number, and get the correct drivers from there. You'll need to do this on another PC since of course you can't go online with your current one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.